Hey guys, so continuing from the previous video, we're going to talk about how to use Premiere Pro's new text-based editing feature that only comes with the beta. If you don't know how to install the Premiere Pro beta, please have a look at my previous video. I talk about exactly how to install it. But in this video, what we're going to do is go to the Premiere Pro tutorial for text-based editing. Now, if you can't get to the tutorial, you need to click the home button on the top left, and then you're going to click on this little gift button. And then you can see that we've just gone through before how to quickly clean up your dialogue. So now we're going to go to remove all filler words fast, and we're going to go to try it now. Okay, and that's when it'll bring up this window. Now, when you bring up this window, you will see this lady talking.
Hello, my name is Valentina V, and I'm so excited to talk to you today about text.
And she's gonna talk a little bit, but some things that she's gonna talk about is basically how to import videos. Okay, so to import videos, basically you're just gonna go to import, and then you're gonna choose videos to import. Now, it won't have the video she's talking about in the video because they were already imported. But let's say that you were importing a video, okay, and you choose a video to import. What they want you to do is basically, so once you've chosen which videos you want to import, you're going to choose automatic transcription, and you want to choose English, and you want to choose speaker labeling, separate speakers, and you want to choose auto transcribe or imported clips. That's what she goes through in this video here. But because the two videos are already imported, you can skip that
Hello,
part
my name is
here.
Valentina V, and I'm so excited to talk to you today about text.
So you can see this is what she wants you to do. So now we can
Select text.
Go to window text in the application menu. So we go to window text. It's already done. So yeah, then we go to the next step.
Now that you have your text panel open, you can click on each clip and see the transcript pop up in the text panel.
So in this video, she now talks about when you double click on a video that you have imported and you go to text, you will see that all the text has already been transcribed because that's what you did at the start. That's the options you chose at the start to transcribe all the text. Now, the only problem is it doesn't recognize the names of the speakers. So it wants you to double click on Billy interview, and it wants you to go to text panel and click on speaker 1 and choose edit speaker name. And it wants you to change speaker 1 to interviewer. And speaker 2 to Billy. Okay, so I'm going to click save. All right, so it's got interviewer Billy, interviewer Billy. All right, so now it says in the search bar, search the word devotion. And find the dialogue that begins, well, the story of devotion. So that's this paragraph. Highlight the paragraph and select insert. So we highlight this paragraph, just basically dragging it across, just like you're highlighting in Microsoft Word or something. And then you're going to click on insert. Okay, and this inserts the part of the video where they're talking about, well, the story of devotion is see. So let's try that.
Well, the story of devotion is, well, see, I'm already stammering.
All right, so that is the part that they talked about. So explain the premise of the movie, devotion. All right, great. So now let's go to the next video. So it wants you to practice doing that with JD's clip. So update the speaker name by changing speaker 1 to interviewer and speaker 2 to JD. So let's double click on JD interview, click text, and then it wants you to change speaker 1, edit speaker name, change speaker 1 to interviewer, and speaker 2 to JD. All right, and JD, J.D. Okay, so once you've done that, search for the transcript. Search the transcript for the word devotion. So just double click on that again. Text. Search a transcript for the word devotion. And add the paragraph that begins, devotion tells the story. So devotion tells the story. So this is the paragraph. Drag it all over. And let's insert it over here. Oops, it's gone. So let's insert it over here. Insert. All right, so we've done that. Move the playhead to the beginning of the clip by pressing the space bar to play the sequence.
Devotion tells the story.
Wow. So you basically, they want them to link together, and then you press space.
Devotion tells
From the end of the last clip. Okay, so you were able to add a clip from the timeline using a transcript. You'll learn how to refine your rough cut using text-based editing. Okay, so next.
Both JD and Billy here are saying pretty much the same thing, except JD's a little bit more succinct. So let's...
Okay, so what she talks about in this video is rather than editing in here in the timeline where you have to manually, drag things, you can select what you want to move, select the words you want to move, press Control X, and I cut that whole paragraph so you can see it got deleted in here. Then let's say I want to go to the start of Billy's clip, right at the start, Control V, and I have pasted JD in front of Billy. All right. In the text panel, select beginning of Billy's dialogue, leaving only the sequence starting with. Okay, so starting of Billy's paragraph, which is here. Okay, so it's saying all of this, they want me to delete it. Delete. Okay, now it's gone. Move the playhead to the beginning of the timeline and press spacebar to observe the changes. So let's drag this over here. Press space.
Devotion tells the Korean War.
And devotion is about his devotion with aviation and his devotion.
Okay, great. So now the sequence follows really nicely. Behind the scenes, and click next to learn more. Edit clips only using the transcript.
The great thing about text-based editing is it actually detects the pauses.
Okay, so let's get rid of. In the text panel, select the ellipse at end of JD's dialogue and press delete. The delete key is not working well. Delete. Select the ellipse at the beginning of Billy's dialogue and press delete. Somehow Billy has turned into interviewer. Press the space bar to watch the video. Okay, so press the space bar to watch the video.
Devotion tells the story of Jesse Brown, the U.S. Navy's first of the Korean War.
And devotion is about his devotion with.
Yes, good. It did delete the pauses. Okay, congratulations, done. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.